And today, special thanks to my friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this in loving memory pet memorial. Now, essentially, this would be something that you would unfortunately have to buy in the passing of your favorite pet. As you can see, memorial frame from Purefly, little card. And so, take out this, you can see what you're working with here. So for example, you were my favorite hello and my hardest goodbye. You could put you like a photo here, a little cutout of a photo of the pet, and its collar would be able to go through here if you wanted that. And then of course, you can either set this somewhere, you can hang it somewhere. That's essentially what this is. Nothing else in here. So I thought this was pretty adorable, and having 2 dogs myself recently, it's not something that I'd be happy to have, but I would love the memory of it. So I think that it's something that's very good. I want you to get a good look at it. It is nice wood, looks real nice, painted real nice, and it'll be perfect. So thanks again to Purefly, who were nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.